We are finally back, and this is the cross that came in. As you can see, it is flawless. Goes exactly with the bracelet and the diamond necklace. And it's also got the cage back. So you know we're doing that real shit. It goes with it too. Cage back. Cage back. You know what I mean? That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Perfect match. Perfect match. Yeah, you can't get no smaller than that, man. Tell me if that bitch ain't ready. Motherfuckers gonna hate on you if you wear that. Check out the next collection.